So good morning students. So today we are going to discuss about the another chapter, that is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. See, aldehydes and ketones, carboxylic acids. So organic compounds containing so oxygen, carbon and oxygen double bond. Organic compounds in this chapter, organic compounds containing carbon, oxygen double bond is called carbonyl group. So that means, so C double bond, this group is called carbonyl group. So whenever organic compounds is containing this group is present, this group is called what? Carbonyl group. This group name is what? Carbon. Organic compounds containing carbon oxygen double bond is called carbonyl group. So carbonyl group, see, in aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acids and ester and acid anhydride and amides and ketones, whatever is the carbonyl group should be present. Carbonyl group is what? Carbon oxygen double bond is present in organic compound is called carbon. In aldehydes, carbonyl carbon. So that means this carbonyl, this name is carbonyl. This carbon attached to hydrogen. So in carbon attached to hydrogen. While in ketones, carbonyl carbon attached to carbon. So that is ketones. So that means I will write your structures. So aldehydes means in aldehydes. So for example, C carbon, this carbon is attached to hydrogen. This is what? Aldehydes. In this carbon, this carbon is attached to another carbon, that is nothing but alkyl group, anyone. So this is what? Ketones. So in this carbon is attached to hydrogen, that is aldehyde. This carbon is compounds which is carbon bonded to another carbon is called ketones. Is it clear? What is the aldehyde means? So carbon is in this carbon attached to hydrogen, that is called aldehydes. In this carbon is attached to carbon atoms, that is ketones. So this carbon is attached to carbon atoms, that is called ketones. Okay, what is this group is what? Functional group is carbon group. That carbon is attached to hydrogen. One hydrogen should be present, that is called aldehydes. If in case this carbon is attached to carbon atoms. So that is called ketones. What is the aldehydes? What is the ketones? So let us come to the like that. So whenever carbon same in carbonyl carbon attached to in carbonyl carbon carbon is bonded to or carbon is bonded to, okay. So carbon bonded to oxygen hydroxyl. So that is hydroxyl moiety. So in carbon is bonded to OH moiety is called carboxylic acid. So in carbon is bonded to OH moiety is called carboxylic acids. That means in that carbon is hydrogen, or so carbon group is bonded to carbon and hydrogen and oxygen of hydroxyl. See, this carbon is oxygen and hydrogen, like this separately. Oxygen and hydrogen, hydroxyl moiety. So that means carbon is bonded to oxygen, and hydrogen. That is called hydroxyl. This group is what? This group is what? Hydroxyl moiety. This is called carboxylic acid. This is called what? Carboxylic acid. So in carbon is bonded to OH group, that is oxygen and hydrogen, or simply both are combined. Hydroxyl moiety is called carboxylic acid. Is it clear? Same that in carbon is bonded to nitrogen and hydrogen. That means NH2 group is called amine group. That is called amides. See. So this carbon is in carbonyl carbon. Carbon is bonded to NH2 group. That is what? Amine group. NH2 group. That is NH2 moiety group. That is moiety means group only. So is called amides. That means, so in carbon is bonded to NH2 group, that is amides. So RC double bond NH2. That means carbon is bonded to nitrogen and hydrogen. That is called amine group. This is called amides. This is what? Amides. Is called amides. So saying that in carbonyl carbon, so carbon is bonded to so halogen atom. Carbon is bonded to halogen atom. Halogen atom is called acyl halide. That is RC double bond OX. So this is called acyl halides. See, that means in this whatever is there, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, amides and acid halides and carboxylic acid, compulsory carbonyl group is present. That carbonyl group is bonded to oxygen and hydrogen. That means hydroxyl group is called carboxylic acid. That carbonyl group is attached to nitrogen and hydrogen. That means amine group. So carbon is bonded to halogen. Carbon is bonded to halogen. That is called acid halides. Okay. So and esters and acidic anides. It is the derivative of carboxylic acids. Esters and acidic anhydride. These all are derivative of carboxylic acid. See, esters and acid anhydride. That is derivative of. This is what? Esters. That is derivative of carboxylic acids. This is esters. Acidic anhydride means RC double bond O C double bond O R. This is acid anhydride. This is clear what I am saying. So this is what esters. This is what? Acid anhydrides. So carbon. So in this aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid overall is having that is functional group is common is what? Carbonyl group. That carbon is bonded to hydrogen. One hydrogen is there, that is aldehyde. That carbon is attached to two carbon, that is ketones. That carbon is attached to halogen, that is acid halides. The carbon is attached to hydroxyl group, that is carboxylic acid. The carbon is attached to NH2, bonded to NH2 group, that is amides. The carbon is attached to that is halogen acid halides, and esters and acidic anhydride derivative of carboxylic acid. It is the derivative of carboxylic. These are all are having carbonyl group only. Let us see all functional group once again. Commonly I will write what is the aldehyde, what is the ketone. See, RC double bond OH, RC double bond OH. This is what aldehydes. RC double bond OR. This is ketones, and RC double bond OH. This is carboxylic acid, and RC double bond ONH2. This is amides. RC double bond OX halogen, SL halides. SL halides. X is equal to what? Chlorobromine iodide. So the RC double bond OH, that is NH2 ester, and RC double bond OR. This is esters. RC double bond C double bond OR. This is acid anhydride. This is acid anhydride. So these all are function groups. So aldehydes, ketones, and esters, and acid anhydrides. So let us come to the another point. So aldehydes and ketones are, so these all are function groups. These all are function groups. So aldehydes and ketones are, so aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acids are so widespread. It is a spread in the plants and animal kingdom. So aldehydes and ketones are, it is a spread, so widely it is spread in plants and animal kingdoms. They play very important role in biochemical. They play very important role in biochemical functions. They play very important role in biochemical process or biochemical process of life. They play very important role biochemical process of life. Okay, so aldehydes and ketones is wide. It is spread in plants and animal kingdom. They play very important role. Okay, in biochemical life process. And coming to the, so they add fragrance, flavors to nature. Okay, they add fragrance. So fragrance means what? It is gives the good smell, fragrance, and to good nature. Okay, so some examples is there. Vanillin. Some examples is there. Vanillin. Vanillin. So I will write structure. Vanillin structure like this. Vanillin. So vanillin is from vanilla beans. It is vanilla beans. Vanillin from vanilla beans. So vanillin. And next one is salicylaldehyde. 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 So salicylaldehyde. This is salicylaldehyde. It is from, so beans, that is it is from, so meadows sweet. It is from meadows sweet. Meadows sweet. And cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde. So cinnamaldehyde, that is CH double bond CH2. It is from cinnamon. From cinnamon. So it is very pleasant fragrance. It is all very pleasant fragrance. That means it all gives the good smells, fragrance. So good smell only. So that means, so aldehydes, ketones, carboxylated widespread in plants and animal kingdom. They are all are very important role in biochemical process of life, and so they give the good fragrance to nature, flavor to the nature, good fragrance and flavor to the nature. Okay, so and next one is examples is that flavor to nature. So vanillin, salicylaldehyde, cinnamaldehyde. So these all are gives the fragrance, pleasant fragrance. That means what? It is gives the good smell to the nature. Smell, that is fragrance is very good smell. Okay, so that is the examples. Okay, so they are giving, this is used in food process. They are used in food products and pharmaceuticals. So they are used in, aldehydes and ketones are used in food products and pharmaceuticals to add flavors. For example, any food flavor, you will get food flavor and pharmaceuticals. Flavors is there. That flavors are prepared by aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acid, and all are these compounds. Okay, so some of the families, this is some of the families of manufacture for food products, additives, okay, paints and solvents and fabrics, okay, so some perfumes, resins we use it. Some of the families, some of the aldehydes or ketones or carboxylic esters, these all are used in fabrics, okay, and fabrics and that is next one is fabrics and resins and perfumes, okay, these all are used. So this is all are some aldehydes, ketones are used in like this one. Is it clear what I am saying? So important point you have to remember. So function groups you remember. What is the function group? Aldehyde function group, this is the one. Ketones is this is, carboxylic acid is this one, amides and acylamides, esters and acidic anhydrides. And so these are the function, very important function group is there. Why? Because next class is next, there is nomenclature is there like this, continuous there. You have to remember in this chapter we discuss aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid only. But so whenever further another chapters, this one we'll discuss. Okay, but we have to discuss aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, its nomenclature, its preparation. Okay, so aldehydes are RC double bond OH, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids. So aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids in that. So aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic function group, common function group is what? Carbonyl group. Common function group is what? Common group. You have to remember this function groups only. Very important function groups. You have to revise this is. And the next one is they are simple. This is remaining our simple concept. That is what? So what is the use of aldehydes, ketones? It is spread worldwide. It is spread, and it is plants and biochemical process of life, and it is used the add to flavor to the nature. Add to flavor to the is the good fragrance and add to flavor to the nature. For example, vanillin, salicylate, cinnamon. It is gives the good pleasant fragrance. And then it is used in pharmaceutical industries and biochemical industries, okay, to add flavors. And next one is it is some important of aldehydes, some families of aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid and esters and acid anhydrides. These all are to prepare the resins, perfumes, okay, fabrics, solvents, paints and additives, that means food colors, additives. We can use this aldehydes and ketones. So this is the basic introduction. Okay.